Welcome! Today we're going to show you how to connect XM to MT5 mobile. So the first thing that you need to do is to open XM app. After that, you need to actually go to the top left and click on the demo or the account section as seen from here. So after that, to create the account, we will click on the plus icon as seen from here, and then we need to choose demo account. For your case, you will need to choose real account from here. After that, make sure to choose MT5 Trader as seen from here. Then click on continue. Now you can choose the account type that you like. After that, now you can customize your trading account. Hit on continue. And then choose a password that you will remember for your account. You will actually need it, so don't forget your password. So after you finish, you need to go back to the main menu and then go to the account section again. From here, choose the account that you have made and then click on manage. After you do that, now you need to click on account information, and after you see your account information, now you will see the server and everything and all the information about your account. Then you need to go to MetaTrader Trader. So open your MetaTrader Trader app. So as see from here, here's the MetaTrader Trader app. You need to actually click on the three dots or the three lines on the top left. After you do that, now you need to click on get started or open a demo account. From here, you need to click on the plus icon, and after that you need to search for xm.com. Now you need to fill all of your information about your xm.com account. You need to just fill in your password, email, and the server ID that you got from the account information section on XM. So that's it. That's actually how you connect MetaTrader to XM. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.